Hey everyone, welcome to Travel Around Susie. Today I have a bit of a different video for you. I guess I say that a lot. Well, anyways, as you can tell, I'm actually in a house. And so a lot of van lifers, they always talk about where they shower and how to find showers, you know, the truck stops, the Loves, the Pilots, and Planet Fitness or some kind of gym membership. I don't see a lot of videos on how is the best way to organize your shower stuff. And if you're going from one place to the other, you always want to make sure you have everything that is ready and makes it easier for you to shower in whatever, whether it's a truck stop, you never know where the shelves will be or whatnot, or if there'll be any hooks for your towels. Well, today I'm going to answer several of them questions. So let's get into what I take into and how I organize my stuff. First of all, the best way for me to organize my stuff is I just got a cheap book bag. Easy to carry, put it over my shoulder, and I like ones that have lots of pockets because when you're going into the shower, you need some things. So lots of pockets. One thing I always recommend, I just bought these at the Dollar Tree. If they break, if they get too nasty, I can throw them away and it doesn't bother me. That's in my first pocket. I always carry a plastic bag with me for in case I have something that's too wet. I don't want to get my bag wet, so I have a bag. In the next pocket, I have this, which again is just the Dollar Tree. And it is just basically like a hand towel. And I lay this down on the floor so when I get out of the shower, I don't have to stand on the wet, cold floor. So I use these in the shower, and then when I step out of the shower, I will put the shoes over to the side and then step on my feet or on this towel, and I will dry my feet off on this. Again, extra bags. And then if I work out at the gym, I also too have a lock for my stuff. And then hooks. Hooks for me are very important. I hang up my towel. This towel that I have actually has a hook. Or I mean, not a hook, but a little strap. So I can just hang that on a hook. For me, that's very important. And then because I have long hair, I also too use one of these for my hair, but if you're a guy or you have short hair, not really a necessity. Now the most important thing that I carry in this bag, and this bag is big enough to where I can put my clothes in it. So I will always grab my clothes when I go for the shower. And the next thing I carry in this bag is this unit. And it is like a vinyl, and it's actually a shower caddy. And let me show you. The best thing is it has a hook. And then I have my shampoos, my face wash, my comb, and then I also too, I have this hook that suctions right to the shower. And then I can unsuction it. Now, these canvas bags actually come in different sizes. This one is a pretty large one, as you can see. And I don't need this big of one. But if you're someone with lots of products, this would be good. It's got pockets here. It's got pockets here. Now, my shampoo and conditioner are too big for here, but you can see where you could put the bottles here, but I don't. And then mine, I just bought these off from Amazon. They're just little pumps and they lock. So that is what I use, and I hang that up on this. So here, and then I suction this to the wall, and then I have all my products for my shower. But today, I'm actually transferring all this stuff to this one here, which is smaller. As you can see, it still has a hook, but it is smaller, and I think this one will fit better for my needs. So we're going to try that out. I really don't use a lot of products. I try not to do a lot of chemicals. There. Now we just have my comb, which we'll see if this actually works. I always like the downside if I can, but I don't know. It seems to fit. The only thing is this, and I may just leave this in here because I always pull that out. So we'll see. And then this comb, I don't know. We're gonna play around with this for a little bit and see if this will actually work for my needs. This one is a little too big, and this one may be just a little too small. And this one actually came with a mirror. I have not peeled that off, and it's Velcro, so you could stick it right here. So then you have a mirror if you need it. And I don't know how much I will really use that, so that's gonna go there. And then this will go back here. I don't know. Maybe it'll just all sit in here. Close this up. There. It's got some handles, but it's smaller than this one. So I'm going to keep this one just in case. I may need to look for one that is a little bit bigger than that. Oh, you guys can hear Hopper. She's wanting to go outside. As you notice, I'm not in my van today, and that's because I am here with my dad. But that is, and then, like I said, I have my towel. So this will go here, this will go down here, And then this will go in here. And that's what I use for my shower. For me, I like bags with zippers, so that way when I'm getting in and out of places, I don't have to worry about losing my stuff. I know some people like an over-the-shoulder bag and just throw everything in there. I like mine a little bit more separated, but that's my opinion. You do what's best comfortable for you. I like to keep my shoes separated because they're on the floor of all kinds of different places. And I just don't want that with my towel. So, and if you guys are interested in any of these products, this is from Amazon. I will link this in the description below. It's just a towel with a hook, and it is microfiber, so it does dry really quickly. And then the same way with my head wrap. This is a microfiber too, and it dries extremely fast. I will link all these products in the description below. And it is an affiliate link to my Amazon. All these will be linked in the description below. And if you choose to buy something from one of my links, I will make a small commission, no extra cost to you. So safe travels, and I hope that this helped you start your journey onto getting on the road or in van life. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you liked that one, I will link the one that I have with how I made a bathroom in my van. And it's actually dual purpose. So go check in this box right here, down here. And I will see you in the next video. Safe travels.